Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love pasta, but I just don't like it with spaghetti sauce or something like that on. I like something with a twist of difference. So I decided to do up this spicy garlic butter pasta. Came out absolutely beautiful. This is incredibly easy. It's about 15 minutes, and stick around till the end of the video. A couple of things I want to say. You're gonna love it, so let me show you how to do this. So to kick things off here, guys, what I've got is a pot of rapidly boiling salted water, and I'm going to add in a couple of 100 grams of spaghetti. Now you can use linguine, whatever you like, and the general rule of thumb is about 100 grams per person. And I'm going to cook this for about 8 or 9 minutes, just to the point where it's al dente. After about 9 minutes or so, we're al dente, I'm just going to strain this and set it aside and keep it warm. Next up, we're going to make our super duper easy sauce. So I've got a pan here over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add in half a stick of butter. This is unsalted butter, and let this melt down. While the butter is melting down, I'm going to add some oil in. This just kind of keeps the butter from burning. There's nothing worse than burnt butter. Next up, I'm going to add in 6 cloves of garlic. I like it nice and garlicky, and it keeps the vampires away, like I always say. A teaspoon of hot chili flakes, just for that heat. And I'm going to give this a stir, and you certainly don't want this garlic burned. You just want it heated through till it's soft. It smells so good. Now I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and you can substitute soy sauce or even fish sauce. Followed by a tablespoon of soy sauce. And my all-time favorite, some pepper. Stir once more. Add our cooked pasta in. And we're just going to give this a toss until it's nicely coated. This is added in about 3 tablespoons of water. And we're just going to give this a toss until it's nicely coated. Of course, you always want to add pasta while it's fresh. Add some freshly grated Parmesan to the top. I just love the smell of Parmesan. And garnish it up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our spicy garlic butter pasta. Incredibly delicious. Okay guys, let's go ahead and dig in and give this a taste test. This is so incredibly good, guys. The Worcestershire sauce comes through, the cheeses, the hot pepper flakes just add that bit of heat. Just absolutely incredible. You gotta make this. So I said stick around till the end of the video, guys, and here I am back. Couple of things I wanted to mention, and number one, we're gonna try and get 3 videos a week out, and the type of video we're going to do is going to be like a quick fast video where I'm not talking or anything like that, so we'll call it Quickie Wednesday or something like that. And you can let us know what you think of it in the description section below, and if you don't like it, then we won't do it anymore. Just give it a try. And Stove Talk is coming up. I haven't forgotten about that, so we're going to have another episode fairly soon. So anyway, thanks for watching again, and catch you next time.